Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Leatherman Free T4 with me, and we're going to do just a quick overview of this small multi-tool. So let's just do a quick size comparison. First, here is up against your Wave Plus, and also old school Surge, beautiful beefy bed boy up there, and this is up against the Leatherman Free P2. So quite small and compact overall, even if it's, they could have managed space a little bit better, but due to the nature of this multi-tool, probably they did the best they could, because this is sporting like some new technology, like it has magnets, to hold the tools in place, because it's supposed to let you use this one just by using one hand. All right, so for example, like you see, like here, you just push down this side and you can deploy these tools. On this side, you cannot deploy the blade by pushing down here, you see? You have to use the thumb hole and just deploy it like that. It's still one hand opening action over here. On the other side, instead, you have the option to lift the 3 tools, and then you can just spread them around and pick the one you want. So when you push them back, you're gonna have a magnet right on the inside to keep the tools in the closed position. So if you open all the tools like this, you will see that there's lots of space unused, but actually it's not, because inside of this area here, you've got the lock-in mechanism, as well as on the side over here is gonna occupy all this chunk of space right over here. So technically they optimize pretty well the space. So let's see the tools you have. So first of all, you got a nice little blade here, nice belly with a flat area. You also have like your sharpening choil over here, opening, the thumb hole to open the blade. Steel is like 420 HC, so the classic steel Leatherman is, using for many years. And the stock thickness is, it's all right. It's a good size. It has a little bit of chamfering on the spine, and it has a really nice hollow grind, which is much appreciated. It's going to give you like some nice slicing properties to this blade. The lock is right over here. Okay, so you just push this guy away and you're able to close the blade in the closed position. Next up here, you have nice prying tool. It's pretty beefy stock, this one. It's actually the thickest stock of them all together, like the same size as the Phillips screwdriver on the other side. And so prying tool and package opener, because this side over here is sharpened, and it's going to be super easy just to cut through the tape on your package. After that, you've got your wood and metal file, as well as a medium screwdriver over here. If you notice, there's something over here. Look at this. That's a beautiful design. They're hiding the tweezers in this nook right over here. So, which is a clever design. It's beautiful, but you could risk to just losing it, because if you rub inadvertently like up against this side over here, you could slide out the tweezer and just lose them. On the other side, you have the option of choosing like this Phillips screwdriver, quite beefy stock, which has as well like a bottle opener built in right there. Next to that, you have an owl over here, which sports as well a pretty small screwdriver, pretty nice. And next to that, you're gonna have probably one of the most useful features of this bad boy, which are the scissors, and are like well made, I have to say. Nice spring action over here, and yeah, they're quite beefy and pretty sharp. So yeah, very useful. You also have a pretty sturdy and nice and springy and beefy as well, like deep carry pocket clip on this side over here, which, you know, it's gonna be pretty useful because it's really functioning well. You have a nice clip ramp over here, pocket is going to be reaching up to here, and this guy, it's going to be disappearing in your pocket from a height perspective. Thickness perspective, this is a little bit too thick for my taste, but I mean, it's packed with tools. I understand the, you know, the magnetic technology they are you know, jamming in, and it's this bulkiness, it's needed because of the nature of this very tool. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy this quick overview of the Leatherman Free T4. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.